Cop killer Michael Astorga's legal team is fighting to save his life as the first stage of his sentencing gets underway.
But it's who the defense may use to fight that fight that led to a disagreement in court today. News 13's Alex Tomlin was there.
I assume that they might have some difficulty with whom I might call as witnesses.
Defense attorney Gary Mitchell knew his filing to possibly put Archbishop Michael Sheehan and State Representative Gail Chasey, the lawmaker who introduced the death penalty ban, on his witness list, would ruffle feathers.
We have a case that says you just can't call people to testify that said that they don't believe in the death penalty or it's against their church or religion, that is of no benefit to the individual jurors.
District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg wasted no time telling that to the judge this morning during the first day of jury selection for Astorga's sentencing. Astorga, who was convicted in the murder of Bernalillo County Deputy James McGrain 2 years ago, could get the death penalty. Gary Mitchell says he also wants the Archbishop and Representative Chasey to testify as character witnesses.
But testify about the good things regarding Michael Astorga, and most important, testify about the fact that he didn't do this.
While the church is against the death penalty, it'll be 12 men and women that decide if Astorga should be executed. Both sides say it could take a month to pick a fair jury. No matter what, Astorga will get life and then some for his crimes, meaning he could be eligible for parole in about 40 years, when he's almost 80. But his attorneys know even if he escapes the death penalty, parole will be a long shot for a convicted cop killer.
It's unusual or unlikely that he would not die in the penitentiary.
In Santa Fe, Alex Tomlin, KRQE News 13.
The sentencing was moved to Santa Fe because of all the publicity in the case. Once they find a jury, the sentencing is expected to take at least a month. It'll take a unanimous jury to sentence him to death. Last year, Astorga was found guilty of murdering a former friend over a car. He was wanted for that killing when Deputy McGrain pulled him over back in 2006. That's why prosecutors say he ambushed McGrain, and they plan on talking about that motive during the sentencing.